When the sky listens, it listens beyond words. It hears the rhythm of life, the quiet steps we take, and the intentions that live in our hearts without ever being spoken. Before language existed, there was nature. Before we learned to build, the mountains were already standing. Before we learned to run, the rivers already knew the way. Before we learned to seek, the wind was already guiding. Nature is not outside of us. It is the first temple. The forest breathes with us. The ocean holds our memories. The soil remembers every step we have ever taken and every choice we have ever made. When we forget this truth, the balance begins to fade, not as punishment, but as a gentle reminder. Every wound we inflict upon the earth echoes within our own hearts. Every care we give returns to us as protection and grace. Still, nature remains patient. There is prayer in the wind. There is mercy in the rain. There is healing in silence. The earth does not ask for perfection, only awareness. It asks that we walk gently, listen deeply, and act with love. To honor nature is to honor the source of life itself. To preserve it is to practice sacred love. When we protect the forests, the rivers, the oceans, and the unseen life around us, we protect ourselves. The animals are teachers. The trees are elders. The mountains are witnesses. The sky watches without judgment. A world without wildlife, without rivers and forests, is a world without spirit, without wonder, without song. But when we choose respect, when we act with care, the earth responds with harmony. When we choose preservation, nature offers protection. And when we slow down enough to truly listen, nature reminds us how to heal, how to hope, how to continue. Nature heals what we cannot name. It calms what we cannot control. It restores what we thought was lost. It teaches patience and the quiet strength of being. So walk gently. Take only what is needed. Preserve what is sacred. Honor what is alive. Love what gives you life. Because when the sky listens, it listens to how we live. And when we live in balance, the earth opens its arms to us. We're not separate. We are part of the song. And the song continues only if we choose to listen. Let us listen. Let us walk gently. Let us preserve what is sacred. And let us live with reverence, love, and gratitude for the world that holds us.